Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, this for your career situation. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, Leos. We will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys. So, and if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have snake, garden, and cross. So, Leos, in your circumstances, maybe in your life, maybe you are trusting someone, you have a lot of faith on someone, but this person may have their own, agenda. Maybe they are here with you to try to make use of you in some ways, and they may not have honest intentions towards you, guys, Leos. So you must be careful. It may be someone in your work situation, or it may be someone in your personal life. This person may pose as your friend or a family member, but their intentions are not good. And their words, they may speak honeyed words trying to flatter you, but you must see the truth behind those words, because they are speaking those words just to make use of you in some way, maybe financially, or maybe using your skills and talents. So you must be careful, guys, Leos. And the same way in this relationship, this person may show themselves as your friend, and they may tell you certain things. They may compel you to do certain things, maybe for this person you love. Maybe they may have some, they are trying to influence you, so you must not listen, guys. If there is someone like that, you must think clearly. If you are deciding something important in your work or in your relationship, you must think it through, whatever it is. And Leos, you are someone really determined, whatever the circumstances are. So you try to do things the right way. You try to, being really responsible. And you have seen a lot, you have a lot of experience, and the way things are going based on your past experience and all that you have done. You are not seeing happiness, and you may feel really stressed, unhappy for all that trials you have faced and all that sacrifices you have done in your life for the people you love. Maybe your efforts may not be appreciated, and you may feel really stressed or lost because of that. But you need to understand that if you are interested in taking up some spiritual practices like meditation or chanting something, improving your your mental state, maybe your well-being, maybe it makes you more peaceful and happy, you can take that up, guys, and that is going to help you very much. And today maybe that will give you more clarity. These spiritual practices are going to help you out a lot, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may participate in some kind of a communal activity, maybe going out with friends or meeting friends after a long time, guys, Leos. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Scythe. So maybe if this person is someone in relationship with you, maybe that person who's trying to use you, or they are here just to charm you with their words, and they are not having that honest intention. Maybe if you are having that person, that is going to change, guys, their attitude towards you. Maybe they will realize your love, or they themselves will move away from you. So some good changes are happening in this relationship, guys, Leos, and whatever difficulties you are facing will come to an end, Leos. So in your situation, you can be happy for that. So for your career, we picked one card, and it is Tower. So there are huge changes happening in your work situation, Leos. Drastic changes maybe, but these changes are really good because it's giving something in place of something old, something better, something much good is coming your way. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Leo. So let's see what is the card for your moon energies. So we have new moon in Aquarius. So with this card, it just means that this is the time for you to move forward. Maybe whatever is holding you back, you must give that up. Maybe something negative of the past is holding you back. Maybe your past failures in your work. You must just carry on the lessons with you, guys, not the hurt and sadness. The same way in this relationship too. Maybe you must let go of the past, the worries you had, or the pain you suffered, and you can be certain that you will do much more better if you think differently and act differently. That is going to give you the right solution today, guys, Leos, in your circumstances. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Leos, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So we have the Princess and the Pea. Sensitivity. So with this card in your circumstances today, maybe you have a very heightened sensitivity today. Maybe in your heart of hearts, something is telling you what is right and what is wrong. It may be your intuition working or your instincts working. Whatever it is, guys, you need to trust that. And maybe if you have an experience or if you are an already a very sensitive person, sensitive to people, sensitive to your circumstances, to emotions, maybe today, even without people telling you how they feel, you may realize what is there in their heart. You may understand them emotionally, and that is because you are feeling really sensitive today. sensitive to the people, your surroundings. So, whatever you feel deep down, you must trust that, guys. So, maybe when you're making some important decisions, something tells you that you should make a particular choice or decide in a particular way. You must go for it. And your feelings or your intuition is right today, and you need to trust that. And you can never, hide what you truly feel today. Maybe something has come up and you realize that what it is, and maybe even if you are not taking those actions, you're not speaking on that subject, maybe whatever it may be, but the way you are, you may feel that this is the right thing, and you may have that trust and faith in your intuition. So that is going to influence your actions even without you telling about your sensitivity or telling someone about your intuition. Whatever it is, the intuition you have is going to influence your actions and words, and that is the way things are going to be today, guys. So maybe if you feel that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust what you truly feel, you must give up that idea and you must go for what your intuition is telling you, because that may be the right thing for you and that may be the right decision for you today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. For those who chose this card, it's happy, happy. A very positive card here, guys. So no matter what your situation is today, everything is falling into place for you, and this is the time you feel really close to this person you love, and you feel that you can tell them anything and without wanting anything in return, loving them for the sake of love, not for anything else. So that is the way things are going to be, guys. So when you have that unconditional love towards this person, it is going to work in a magical way today in your relationship, guys. So the grass is greenest where you are right now, and you can be happy, grateful for the way things are going. And you should not forget, no matter what your situation is, maybe you are seeing some trouble, something is worrying you in this relationship, whatever it is, you just need to let go of all that. Lighten up, just have fun, be playful, cheerful, and you will be surprised how everything will change in your circumstances. And being happy attracts more happiness, just like bees are attracted to honey. So no matter what your circumstances are, just being happy will attract more happiness in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.